Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the procedure to cancel subscription on Twitch. To cancel subscription on Twitch TV, you could follow these simple steps. Now, first thing first, you want to go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, open up a browser and type in twitchtv.com. You could also use an application, whichever is convenient for you. Follow that steps. Now, next thing that you've done, so you will be taken to the home page, which will look something like this. Now, if you go to the profile from the top right hand side corner, you could find the multiple option or the menu bar. Under it, you could also find subscription. Press that. Unfortunately, I do not have any subscription plan, so the interface will be quite different than any of you all. So here you could find the subscription or all of that information. So underneath you could go ahead and click on the cancel subscription button, and with that you'll also be able to find the information, all of that. Make sure to read it thoroughly and only then go ahead and cancel the subscription. Once you've canceled it, then you'll be taken to the page where you have to go ahead and give a reason or all of that, and you'll also be able to see some sort of statement, go through it all, and that way you'll have successfully canceled subscription on Twitch. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.